Hey there, beautiful traders. Welcome back to my channel. Desmond Samuel here again, and I'm back with yet another episode of our weekly outlook. Now, guys, if you're just coming across my channel for the first time and you're wondering what this weekly outlook thingy entails, so this is just a segment of my YouTube channel that I've actually dedicated to coming on here every single weekend to give you guys the best and most profitable trading setups for the weeks ahead, and then also take you guys down. Let's just discuss the recent developments across the board on the foreign exchange market. Now, before I actually proceed, I'd like to actually discuss something with you guys. Now, if you were active over the weekend, you would have seen that I had recorded a previous video. However, unfortunately, there was a firm I was actually running a campaign for. However, I got to realize that there's just something shady about them, and for some reason, because I love you guys so much, and I pride myself on being a man of integrity and honesty and transparency. Because in this business, everybody's out for their own selfish interest, and your interest is my concern. Your own safety, the safety of your funds, is my concern. So that is the reason as to why I had to take down the previous weekly outlook. I don't care. Listen, guys, I don't care how much they're offering. I don't care. I don't care how many views I got from that video. I just don't listen. All that matters to me is that your funds are safe and you guys have a trusted and reliable leader here. Because I pride myself on being the head of Orange FX community, and as such, I should be responsible at least to some extent, for whatever thing happens in my space to my people. So I owe you guys transparency, honesty, and integrity, and that is the reason as to why I had to terminate the agreement with them and then also offer a refund, because I'm not about to jeopardize my brand and my followership and loyalty of my followers because of a firm. I don't care how much you're offering. Once again, your interest, the safety of your funds is what I'm after. Do you understand me? I'm here to look out for the best deals possible for us. I'm not in a rush to make any amount of money. All right. So for those of you guys wondering why I'm making another video, there you go. So I'm so sorry that I had to. However, it is what it is. I'm not gonna jeopardize any single thing because of any dime. All right. So once again, guys, my sincere apology. Yeah. So moving forward, the only company I'll be working with currently, which seems legitimate to me. I have done my background check. I've scanned them through and through, and that is Fible FX. All right. So now I'll be talking about them subsequently as we proceed in this video. But once again, welcome to my channel. And then also, guys, we are just a little below 300 subscribers away from hitting 1K. All right, and have been all you guys have seen my videos, man. Week in, week out, it's value after value, value for value. I come on here and I give you guys the best trading setups, and we've had bangers, we've had decent runs. In fact, my most recent video, I think about my last two videos, we actually spoke about the JPY pairs right into the upside, and we made a significant amount of money from just that trade call alone. So this is what I'm after, guys. So in return, all I ask for is that you get me to 1,000 subscribers this month, guys. I have a target to hit this month of June, and I believe I can hit this target because why? I have you guys. This time I have you guys. I believe that you guys are going to share this video. I believe that whenever you come across this video, you're going to click on that subscribe button because there is value, guys. Apart from the fact that I'm trying to hit 1K, truth is there is value. You cannot deny the fact that there's actually value coming on here. So guys, just do me a favor. Before I get right into the nitty-gritty of the video, I give you guys 5 seconds to just do me a favor and then smash that subscribe button. All right. So let's go in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. And then also, before I proceed, guys, this is a lesson to you guys. Always listen, no matter how much money that these guys are trying to throw at you, pride yourself on integrity and honesty, transparency, guys. I kid you not, long term, you're gonna benefit. It might look like a loss to you right now, but I kid you not, long term, you're gonna benefit. Your brand also is gonna benefit, and then also your followers will benefit. Because now imagine me now, being in my house, and the next thing I get an email from one of you guys saying that you lost money due to some shady deal, that went on behind your backs. All right. So Once again, I'm sincerely sorry about that. I do not recommend cryptonomy or whatever the firm is called. I do not trust them that much. I'm not saying that they are not legit. However, for me personally, I just find it very shady, and I prefer not to talk about them anymore. All right. So diving into this weekly outlook series now, the first pair on my list is the euro dollar. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you can clearly say for a fact that I like starting my outlooks with the euro dollar. Reasons being it is first of all the easiest to trade, and it has more liquidity. That is, a lot of people are actually looking at euro USD more than they're looking at other pairs, right? So chances are you start to make the easiest money, and then it kind of has like the cleanest structure as well, right? So without wasting any much time, let's dive in. So for euro dollar, let's do a quick rundown from the top all the way down to this point. So now going by the approach of a top-down analysis, where we would actually like to go from a monthly time frame all the way to the weekly time frame to the daily time frame, and then the 4-hour time frame, just to kind of like have a broad view of what this guy is trying to do on the higher time frame. So now I sincerely recommend this approach because it helps you have like a bigger perspective. You know, you cannot zoom and then see things from a bird eyes view. You kind of see like the overall direction, like where is it headed to long term overall direction. All right. So it is headed south as far as I'm concerned. As far as technical analysis is concerned, this guy is headed south at the moment. However, you guys by now, I expect that you understand that after every impulsive move, there seems to be a correcting move. All right. So this has been correcting for the past 3 years, if I'm not mistaken. For the past 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. So we've been in this range for quite a long time, guys. A long time. And justifiably so, because if you look at the kind of impulsive move you've had, this took 2 years to play out, guys. This was 2021 to 2022 collapse. So obviously the market only trades for 40% of the time, and the rest of the 60% it is stuck in the range. So this is just the market just being the market. You can't blame the market. All right, so let's see what's happening right here. So what we have before us here is a range, no doubt. This is looking like a head and shoulders pattern here, and then this is like a second head and shoulders pattern on the right hand side. And also I can see some supply level acting on here. So once I scroll down to my daily time frame, this is gonna give me like a better view. So coming down to the daily time frame, I can see the supply level that I spoke to you guys about earlier. I said, listen, whenever you have, and guys, don't take my word for it, go back and backtest this. I kid you not, it works like magic. Whenever you have the market create a supply or demand level, chances are the market will always want to come back and validate that level. It doesn't matter if it's on the lower time frame or the higher time frame. Price action is king and price action is consistent. Do you understand? So now we saw this quick sharp drop from this point, and then I said to you guys, okay, fine, this is a level I'll be watching closely, because this is also a supply level, like it or not. And you know, look what we have here. The market came right into these supply levels and then actually reacted off of it. However, to be sincere with you guys, I have no trades open at the moment. I'm not short this guy at the moment, although I do have a bearish bias, but I have no trades open on this guy at the moment. Reasons being that I am concerned about this guy. So now forget the fact that the overall trend of this guy is bearish. However, something could be playing out here, which I want to bring to your notice. So see, guys, like I said, I have over half a decade worth of trading experience under my belt. I kid you not, I know when something is about to stress me out, and I try to avoid. When it comes to trading, it is the simplest things for me. I don't pride myself on breaking down the most complex trades or taking the no. It is the most obvious and the most easiest and straightforward trade for me. If a child cannot look at this pair and tell me this thing is gonna drop or this thing is gonna go up, I have no business trading that pair. Do you understand? Money is hard to come by, so we have to. So two things: capital preservation and then capital growth. You cannot grow what you don't even have. So to grow anything, to grow your capital, you must first of all have and preserve capital. Do you understand? So seeing this thing here, this is a cause for concern for me, because so it's a bit of a 50-50, if I'm being honest with you, because I do see inverse energy this pattern forming here. Now the reason as to why I say that this is a 50-50 scenario is that if you look closely, similar thing that happened around here. Actually, hold on, let me just get it. What is this? Sorry, guys. I see crap on my screen. So similar thing to what we have here, where you have the market, come and create a supply level, come back and retest it. On the flip side here, it has created a demand level. Okay, and then this is market. This could potentially come out to retest this demand level and rally. Anything is possible at this point. That's why it is more of a 50-50 scenario for me. Although, I mean, overall, I still have a bearish bias. I'm just saying that, to be sincere with you, I have no trades open at the time, and this is due to the reason why I see a demand level here and I see a demand level here. Now let's get rid of this trend and let's talk probabilities here. So we can clearly see here that the market broke above here, created a demand and rallied. Now whenever I have an impulsive move like this, market tends to come back and validate that demand level. And the most recent low was here. And if you draw your fibs, which I expect that by now you should know how to use your Fibonacci. So once again, the fibs works best in a trending market. Either is in an uptrend or a downtrend, a bullish or a bearish trend. However, whatever the case is, just make sure that the market is trending for the best effect. So now you go from the most recent swing, which is here, before this breakout, for the most recent swing to the most recent high. So from swing low to swing high. So this is from swing low to swing high, and you can see that this lines up perfectly with this whole demand level, thingy going on right here. So you see, it's a cause for concern. And then also this coming with, we have both I think I have a text message. So we have both CPI and FOMC coming out. So obviously you might want to be careful with that, because these two red folder events are actually coming out on the same day, guys. Would you believe that? So you have to be extremely careful and know how to play your cards. However, I like to just see the market just give me some extra bit of confirmation, because I'm very, very preservative when I'm actually, sorry, let me say that again. I'm very conservative when it comes to my trading. All right, I don't care. I'm super conservative because I believe in capital growth over time. I'm not really here to flip accounts. Do you understand? Because that itself is not even sustainable. So we could easily see something like this. We could easily see the market drop down here and then rally from here, giving us this head, shoulder. Get rid of this head, shoulder, shoulder. Do you understand? So you have to be extremely careful, guys. And I'm not a big fan of trading the range. That's why I said it's either we break above here, because like I don't know, if you're gonna come to 1.0600, it has to break above here anyway. And if you're gonna drop all the way to 1.0500, it must clear its bar. Otherwise, I need to see there has to be a decent break and close outside of this range. And so far, so good, we have failed to do that. Instead, this is what happened here. We came peaked above here, and we melted all the way back down. And then this is the bearish engulfing daily candle. 1, 2, 3 engulfed the previous two candles. So this is a big drop here. However, this is still not convincing enough, because we still have this bar right here that actually led to this entire rally. So two things I'm going to be watching going into next week, or rather this week, is that I need to see us if the FOMC minutes and then the CPI numbers come out hotter or weaker, whichever thing happens. Key thing is that I just want to see this guy coming to a certain direction. Is it going to go bullish or bearish? So we are going to find out this week. However, in the event that we do actually break below here, obviously this will be a textbook entry for me. Just scale down to your 4-hour time frame or your 1-hour time frame, as the case may be, and find decent entry opportunities. Okay, so it could be to the upside, it could be to the downside. However, just wait for the market to commit. So I like to see us clear this bar here. Once we clear this bar here, I have so much space to the downside to actually drop this guy on his head and then catch nearly 200 pips. All right, so I don't see anything more to discuss on the euro. However, on the flip side, if this fails to hold, then we most likely see something like a breakout above this recent highs of 1.09160. I'll obviously scale down to my lower time frame, and then also look for buys to this 1.10500. All right, so that's that for the euro. The next pair on my list now is the pound sterling. So for the pound sterling, I think it has kind of like a similar structure to what's happening for the euro as well. Video top down analysis, you can clearly see that we have been bearish for a while. However, it just got to this point and it just began to be messy, right? Just began to play around here. And look at this fake out right here. Fake out rally. Okay, so The pound sterling is back stuck in a range, and you guys know me. I'm not. I pride myself. I preach trend trading. I'm not a big fan of range trading, all right, because it is rare. It is barely ever profitable. Once again, don't doubt me, guys. I have been trading for well over half a decade, and I kid you not, I know when a trade is about to be a loser. Like I can tell. All right, so that's how much conviction I have in myself. I'm not a big fan of whatever is happening in here. I like to see a decent commit to a certain direction, and I'll be here. Do you understand? Meet my conditions. I'm not the one to meet your conditions. You have to meet my conditions because I didn't. This is my money at stake. All right, so I need to see us clear this 1.26730 for a bearish drop, rather a bearish trade on this guy. I still have my biases to the downside. However, I'm not confident enough to place any trade until I see us clear this trend line and then this bar right here. So once we can actually give me a daily break and close, convincing break and close inside of this range, I'll scale down to my 4-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame, then look for pullbacks and then drop this guy all the way to 1.25400. However, on the flip side, if that does not happen and then the opposite tends to happen, that is we get to see a break above here following whatever figures come out on Wednesday, I am not going to be looking for any selling biases whatsoever. I'll be targeting the highs here. All right, it's easy. The market moves from one particular zone to the next zone. Right, from zone to zone. It moves from one, you can see from this zone to this zone to this zone to this zone. All right. So if I see a decent break above here, I would be very, very, very confident, in my buy setups. All right. So I don't think there's anything much to discuss about the pound sterling anymore. So moving on now, the next pair on my list is AUDUSD. So I feel like all the dollar-based pairs are just waiting for this red folder events to actually decide. However, technically speaking, we are overall bearish. But truth is, you can't just hop on any trade at the moment because it is a bit fishy. So for the Aussie dollar, I have been highlighting this guy to the downside for a very long time, and for some reason here we came on here, we broke this counter trend line and then we were dropping. But for some reason, this guy just decided to fold all the way back up, and this is one of the reasons as to why I kind of wonder how people refer to this guy as a favorite pair, because this guy is crappy, so crappy. All right, so however, long story short here, we have what we call a fake out here, and you guys know what comes after a fake out, man. The market tends to move in the opposite direction exponentially. However, in this case, I do have some bit of concern. You guys know I like to leave no stone unturned. I don't care how juicy the setup looks. Listen, it must meet my own criteria. Do you understand? You must set your rules in place and make sure that it meets your own criteria. So we have a demand level here, like it or not, we have a demand level. So this could easily rally from here, to be told. However, on the flip side, I do see this being a lower high from here. So just one more confirmation, and then I'll be the first to come on here and tell you guys this guy is gonna drop. Believe me. However, I need to see us clear this 0.65783 region, which is this bar right here. A decent break below and a pullback will be very, very, very ideal for an entry and ride this guy all the way to hell. Listen, guys. First level target for this guy, obviously moving on this trade, is 0.64446, and in the event that we do actually breach this level, it certainly exposes the 0.62904 region. However, before I take any trade on this guy, like I said earlier, I have to see us clearly break below this bar. Once we can clearly break and close below this bar and a decent pullback happens, guys, I go nowhere. Do you understand? And this is one of the reasons as to why I urge you guys to click on that subscribe button, turn on post notification, and then also find your way to my email or to my Telegram community, because there I'm a lot more active. Again, this is just a weekly thing where I come on here every single weekend. However, on Telegram, I'm a lot more active because I send trade calls. Is it crypto? Is it synthetic indices? Is it forex? Anything you want, listen, price action is king. Get. And also, if you're new to trading, send me an email to register for my mentorship program. It costs about $100 at the moment. So my plan is to actually should I spill the beans? Okay, all right. So So don't worry. So just enroll for the mentorship program while you can. That's just all I can say. While you can at the moment. However, once every single thing I'm working on, is set in stone, guys. I think I might just increase the price because I'm gonna add something to spice it up a bit because this is the bull run, crypto bull run, and listen, if you even know what I'm talking about, don't worry. So do yourself a favor and grab the course for $100. All right. So for AUDUSD, I'm wanting to see a decent break below this 0.65783 region. Once I see a decent break below there and a solid pullback, I'll be here to tell you guys what to do. All right. However, if that happens, obviously, in the event that it happens a lot faster than I anticipate, just look for a decent pullback. It's easy. However, when you place a trade like this, make sure that you put your stops above here. You understand? Once again, guys, I've been doing this for well over half a decade. So believe me when I tell you this. Do not put your stops inside here. Oh. Hey. Once you enter this trade, your stops must come here above structure. I don't care, guys, above this structure, not this one. This one, and this one. You guys know anything is possible to peek in here and take you out before it drops. All right, so make sure your stops are above here. Okay, so that's that for Aussie dollar. I don't see a reason as to why this guy shouldn't drop. However, in the event that it does not drop here, you guys need to understand that anything is possible in the foreign exchange market. That's why you must always apply proper risk management. So the next pair on my list now is AUD CHF. Do I actually have any decent setup on this guy? Actually, hold on a minute. My battery is low, guy. Let me just grab my charger. Okay, so do I have any trading opportunity on AUD CHF? Let me just double check. Let's see what's happening on AUD CHF. Now, mind you, okay, okay, okay. So we do have something here in our hands. Okay. Okay, so this is AUD CHF in a nutshell, and we have seen a decent breakout so far. Is this my charts? This is not looking like my chart at all. Hold on, guys. This is what happens when you have so many charts on the same pair, looking at different things. Aha, so this is more like it. So long story short, here we have the second wave of this pullback here. Prior to this whole point here, this guy has been bearish for a very, very long time, guys. I think we've been following on AUD CHF for over a year. If I am not mistaken, guys, we've been following for over a year. All right. So this was 2022 collapse. Now we've come on here and then we've hit a triple bottom, right? And not only did we actually hit a triple bottom, but we started to put in higher lows. All right. And now you guys know that one of the principles of a high time of a bullish trend is that it must give you a series of higher highs and higher lows. And this is exactly what is happening here, where you have the low here, you have the high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, somewhere around here. So I'm watching this guy closely to see if we're gonna pick below here and then tap into this trend line, or maybe just play around here a bit. I'll let you guys know what's up. However, in the event that it happens a lot faster than we anticipate here, it's very easy. Just come on here on your 4-hour time frame and wait for a bounce off of this level here, maybe off of this trend line. So a fake out like this. Okay, let me show you guys free game. A fake out like this, a pullback, tap on here, take it. Those of you guys who are my students will know what I just did. But a fake out here, a fake out, all right, liquidate a lot of orders here, come up here, retest this region, and then we'll take it all the way up, because this was also a demand level right here. Okay, so and then also if you plot your fibs from swing low to swing high, you can see that it matches clearly decent. However, this guy is going to most likely fake out, then come up, and then start to rally to the upside. All right, so that's that for AUD CHF. I do not see a reason as to why we should not continue bullish. However, in the event that this is invalidated here, this will obviously expose the 0.56127 region, which obviously you can bank on Desmond to come on here and let you guys know on time. Which is why, guys, if you're still watching to this point and you're not smart this subscribe button, you definitely do not like me, guys. You do not like me, because why won't you? This is value. This is free game, guys. Free. This is what you guys pay monthly signals for. Where you can literally come on this small channel and just get free trades. So the next pair on my list now is NCD CHF. Long story short, this guy has a similar structure to AUDUSD CHF. Let me see what's happening here. This guy, nope. This is not the chart at all. So for NCD CHF, it has a similar structure to that of AUD CHF, and I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for buying opportunities. Going into next week, I have no reason as to why I should be looking for selling opportunities on these guys at all. I'm looking for buys because this is an uptrend. Let me just go over to the weekly time and I'll show you guys what's really cooking on this guy. So we have been obviously yet again bearish on this guy. Okay, this correlates with AUD CHF though. So we bearish on this guy, and this is the time that it's starting to give us higher highs and higher lows. So we came on here putting some form of maybe triple bottom here. This is looking like a triple bottom, and then also inverted into this pattern. And not only did that happen, but we started to put in higher lows. So this low here is higher than this previous low, and then this low is higher than this previous low. So technically speaking, we are actually bullish, okay, on this guy. Now, two things. Going down to the daily time frame, I can clearly see that we have a decent pullback, and this is currently sitting or almost sitting on a level. However, you need to also understand that we are not here to catch falling knives. All right, the market must first of all balance out itself here, and then when it is just about to move, that's when you enter. Once again, I teach these things in the program. Grab the course; it's just $100, guys. Instead of coming on here and play trial and error with your money, guys, come and enroll for proper education. Get your skill set right, and guys, you have 6 months. A lot can happen in 6 months. I kid you not. If you doubt me, come and test and see. All right, a lot can happen in 6 months. And not only will you be learning about FS, guys, there's crypto days. Every single thing, guys, you need is embedded in my program. All right. So that's that for NCD CHF. So moving on to BTC. So BTC. I think I have a trade open on BTC at the moment. Let me see. So I have a trade open on BTC, which I'll be explaining to you guys shortly. How is it 932? Okay, so this is BTC in a nutshell. Actually, let me just use a different chart to explain this to you guys. Chart showing me that Bitcoin is at 69K and what it is at 69,300. All right, so this is exactly, as you can see, 69,382. All right, so this is BTC. Long story short, we are actually still bullish on this guy. However, there seems to be some form of stumbling block, I would say, at this point. Maybe some bit of obstacle, which is actually trying to stop things. So this is what BTC looks like. This is BTC, guys. Now, mind you, okay, hold on a sec. I think I see something. I think I see something. Hold on. So this is impulsive leg correction, continuation. Impulsive leg correction, continuation. So this is 100% mark. All right. So BTC is at a critical level at the moment, guys. This is a critical zone for BTC. I didn't even see this when I was doing my own analysis. Okay, so BTC is at the critical level, guys, and you guys know that past demand always tends to act as demand in the future, and past supply always tends to act as supply in the future. History tends to repeat itself when it comes to the financial markets. I don't know about every other thing, but this is me speaking from a technical standpoint. We have a supply level here, solid supply level that the market reacted to in 2021 to 2021 May, April 2021 or November, and this is a third touch here. All right, so guys, this is very, and this could easily be a triple top. Actually, hold on, let me get the monitor and see what's happening. Could this be the end of the bull run? Let me see something, guys. This is a triple top on a monthly time frame. Is this what I think it is? Is this what I think it is? Okay, so let's just pray, BTC boys. Let's just pray that BTC can, for some reason, sustain its bullish momentum. However, if it cannot, which once again, I'm always very very skeptical about cryptocurrency, because this is largely run on sentiments, not even technical analysis, right? This is largely run on sentiments. However, technically speaking, we are actually at a key deciding moment for BTC, all right? So I need you guys to understand one thing for sure. A successful bridge, hear me out, guys. A successful bridge of 69K region would obviously expose regions of maybe like 150K. That's what I think. That's just what I think. Let me see something real quick. Impossible correction. Here. Yeah. I hope so. I hope so. All I can say is I hope so. Yeah. So BTC is still bullish. Hear me out. Bitcoin is still bullish. However, we have hit a deciding point for BTC here. And then also, this is crazy. We have hit a deciding point for BTC, and let me just put this here to accommodate this. Yeah. So this is sitting on a supply level at the moment. However, obviously, whenever you hit a supply level, the market has to react off of it, like it or not. It may not reverse there all the way to the downside. However, it's definitely going to act on it, which is something that I see that's happening around here. Okay, so scaling down to the daily time frame here, what do we have on BTC? Let me see what's happening on BTC on the one time frame. BTC at the moment has formed the. Let me get rid of this guy. So let's talk this range that we have here. So BTC here has given us an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Okay. We have the head here, we have the shoulder pattern here, and we have the neckline break, which was the bullish engulfing candle. And you guys know, technically speaking, once a range or a neckline of any range or top pattern is broken here, to make it valid, the market has to come back and retest it. Okay, so now this now exposes these regions of 64 and $65,000 per coin for BTC. Long story short, here we have a trend in our hands where this is the low here. As you can see, this is a high, higher low, higher high. So technically speaking, we ought to come back here and put in a higher low. So if you draw my fib from swing low to swing high, this is matching nicely with this 0.61 region. So I see no reason as to why BTC should not drop. Now it may not collapse all the way, but we should actually see a decent drop here. Long story short, listen, I don't waste your time, guys. I'm short BTC already. Okay, I'm short BTC at the moment. I saw this supply level here, and I saw the demand level, and then also the monthly time frame is speaking, is acting like he wants to give us a triple top, which is a reversal pattern. You get? So we may actually see BTC collapse here to actually clear liquidity, because we have nice flu, guys. So we have a lot of liquidity stock here. So the market actually technically tends to go for liquidity. You can see here that we had lots of liquidity here, and then when the market came, he picked above, some liquidity and then reversed. So I do feel like in the foreseeable future, BTC should collapse at least to this point here, breach liquidity, come on here to test 65 or 64K region, and then we should rally from there. I sincerely hope that the bull run holds. I wish you guys all the best. You guys that are buying coins and holding, I wish you guys all the best. I do believe that BTC is not gonna crash anyway. However, we may see some significant pullback on BTC, especially with the dollar gaining momentum. Do you understand? Guys, I've been so stressed out. So especially with the dollar gaining some strength, and a lot of people have made some money so far so good from cryptocurrency. So as they dump their coins, this tends to affect the ecosystem, right? So I do see a pullback to this range of to this 64 and or 64. Actually, let me just put this for technical reasons. Right, $65,215 per coin region here. All right. Now, once you get here, this will be a decent place to start looking for loans on BTC. All right. I do believe that BTC has potentials. Sorry, guys. So I do believe that BTC has a lot of potential. However, I see a pullback. All right, I see a pullback before that rally, that big rally that you guys are looking for. It may happen if we breach this level here. Right, if BTC breaks above the recent high, which is the all-time high, which is some $30,000 per coin, see no reason as to why we should not, rally all the way to 100 and then 150. All right. So that's that for BTC. Long story short, I'm short this guy at the moment. My targets for BTC is $65,000 per coin, and once you get here, I would certainly be a lot more confident to be looking for long opportunities on BTC. Right. So that's that for BTC in a nutshell. The next part of my list is now silver. So for silver, I came to realize that silver is a lot more volatile than gold. I don't know why that is possible, but that is just the case I find myself. So silver on the other hand tends to, so if you look closely, you see that the precious metals, the commodity markets, the crypto market, everything just seems moving in the same direction. Do you understand? So this tells you something, guys. This tells you something. But anyway, let's move on. So for silver, we have something that is looking like an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which I strongly believe it has held because this is the weekly time frame. All right. Now, mind you, on the weekly time frame, it takes 5 trading days for one particular candlestick to form and fully develop and close. So imagine how long it took us to get this range, and now we've broken the neckline, and we're coming back to retest it now. So I remember having this conversation with my friend on WhatsApp, and then I said to myself, I said, listen, I am not really not bullish opportunities on silver. However, I think this is the better place to wait for silver, and this is forming a downtrend now, series of lower highs and lower lows. So this high is one, this previous high, likewise this one, and then this is looking like a downtrend, medium-term downtrend to come and retest this demand that was actually created here. So if I plus my fibs here from swing low to swing high, we do see that we have a decent opportunity for this guy to drop. So we have some more downside to this guy. Also, if you look at gold seems to be doing something very similar. Do you understand? So I see no reason as to why silver should not collapse to this demand level first, which is around $27. And then after that, we would actually see significant momentum on this guy as we look to drive the value for silver all the way to $35. All right. So that's that for silver. You guys can see how this 4-hour time frame looks like. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, after the retest, we had like a decent bounce, which is something I preach and I teach in the program, which is why you guys have to subscribe to the channel and then also grab the course. Time is going, guys. This is June. You guys had plans. This is June. It is never too late, guys. So upon the retest here, we had this decent 4-hour bounce, and if I bring my fibs like this, my counter channel rather, you can see that this was a decent entry opportunity, and then first wave to the upside, then this is the bigger wave coming through. So whenever I have things like this happen, the second wave tends to move in exponential manner. That is, after the retest, you tend to see astronomical moves. In fact, you could see this guy clear out this $35 region. It's very, very possible, right? So because if you look at the impulsive move from here, hold on, my internet is a bit slow. So if you look at this impulsive move from here to here, okay, then this correction should be from here to here. So you can see that we stand a decent chance of breaking above, even up onto the $40 range. All right, so that's that for silver. Long story short, I'm waiting for this guy at this demand level here. Once I see a decent, retest and a bounce off of here, it's a nice daily candle close above, that is a bounce or a 4-hour candle break and close of counter trend line, I'll be very confident. And then once again, I beat my hand on my chest as the guy who's always on time to save the day. You can count on Desmond, all right? So once again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button real quick. So the next pair on my list now is gold. Guys, gold is golding. Gold has been golding, guys. Gold has been doing some gold stuff. Gold has been golding for a while now. And yeah. So gold in a nutshell has a similar structure to silver. These guys correlate. However, silver is a lot more volatile than this guy. I'm shocked. I'm surprised. However, that seems to be the case so far. I just got to realize that silver is a lot more volatile than gold, which is surprising, you know, because I used to think that this guy was the bad guy. Okay, so going from the weekly time frame, we have in our hands a decent uptrend. We had this all-time highs breakout here, and you can see how beautiful my chart looks. I don't listen. Your chart must be clean. Must be clean. You understand? So this is series of uptrend here. So this is a low. This is a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high right here. So this is coming back to test this demand level, which obviously it should. And if you take your fibs from swing low to swing high, you actually get to understand what I'm talking about here. So from this swing low here all the way to this swing higher, we do have a decent chance of dropping all the way to $2,150 per ounce, and then obviously from there we rally all the way up to $2,600 per ounce. So I'm looking to see how this guy reacts off of the book. But first things first, we have to clear this level. Once we clear this $2,300 per ounce region, I see no reason as to why this guy should drop further to $2,150. And once that happens, yeah, I'll be, guys, once again, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. Do you get? My name is Desmond. Don't worry, I'll be here to take you guys all the way on this long drive to $2,600 per ounce. Next pair on my list, as I need to round up this guy, is NCD JPY. NCD seems to be lining up nicely for my long position. That I've been looking at that guy closely, and due to the weakness in across the board for the Japanese yen, this is looking like a decent trade opportunity for me, because I like to just trade. Like, listen, it has to be obvious, like I keep saying, and this guy has been bullish for years. Guys, NCD JPY has been bullish for a long time. You have right, guys, since 2020. It's a long time. All right. Now, we do have a breakout of this range, and scale it down to the daily time frame. I see no reason as to why I should be looking for a selling opportunity. I'm not interested in any selling opportunity. Instead, rather, I want to buy this guy because this follows in line with trend. And you guys know that I preach trend trading. You stand a better chance of making money if you go with the trend. I don't care what anybody says. Quote me anywhere. Desmond, someone said that you stand a better chance of making easy money when you go with the trend. There is no award, there's no reward for anybody that chooses to trade complex crap. Keep it simple, guys. All right. So long story short, I'm waiting for NZD JPY around the $94 region, and once we get there, I'll wait to see how the market reacts, and then obviously come on here once again to let you guys know as the FX Town Crier, guys. Someone gave me the nickname FX Town Crier, so I'll be here, with my gun, with my stick, hitting it. It is time to make money, guys. All right. So the next pair on my list is EURUSD JPY. All the Japanese yen pairs tend to have the same structure at the moment. Everything is pointing bullish. However, for the case of what is this? So for the case of the EURUSD, like I keep saying, we need to let the market actually go a bit higher. I'm not a big fan of what is happening right here. Okay, I need to see. Look at this crap. We need to allow the market go. Let it go. Then let it pull back properly, right? Let it do something like this. Just go, bro. Just go away and come back. All right. This is trying to create a solid demand level here and allow you to create that demand level. However, I don't see myself taking a trade inside of here at all. This is quite indecisive. You can't even tell if this guy's gonna go up or down. However, one thing is for sure that the overall trend of this guy is bullish. All right. So once this is ready, you can scale down to your 1 hour time or your 4 hour time and then find decent entry opportunities and ride this guy all the way up. So the next pair on my list now will be GBPJPY. So guys, before I actually proceed, there's something that I want to talk to you guys about real quick. There's something I need to talk to you guys about real quick. Okay, hey guys, so welcome back. So, just before I run up this video, there is a particular firm that I want to talk to you guys about, and this is Fible FX. So now for Fible FX, so Fible FX is practically a chatting platform, just like you have your trading view. All right. So what makes this Fible FX stand out is the fact that what is this, guys? Why is this screen? Okay, so what makes Fible FX stand out is the fact that hold on, let me just get rid of this. So what actually makes Fible FX stand out is the fact that they have every single thing incorporated into one single screen. That is, you have access to your AI signals, you have access to red folder event, which is the news. Other traders are analysis. They have you can see this once you just place your cursor here, it gives you options. Right? You have all manner of options here. You have from the analysts, from institutions, even. All right. So guys, this is, can you imagine? Okay. Guys, if you're not if by this time you're not using Fible FX, I wonder what you're doing, guys. Sincerely speaking. So they have economic calendars, they have codes, they have data, they have every single thing you need. So this is every single thing you need incorporated into one screen. Unlike TradingView, where you have to, leave the tab of TradingView after doing your technical analysis to go and look at, Forex Factory, or maybe investing.com or Bloomberg for your red folder event. You have every single thing in one screen, and they have a solid customer support here, guys. Solid customer support. These guys are legitimate. Unlike the previous firm, these ones are legitimate. You guys understand? So they have a mobile app developed for you guys, and then they also have the site as well, the internet site, their website as well. So they have a huge and decent followers on Twitter. They have a Facebook page, they have Instagram, they have Telegram. In fact, guys, listen, it's totally for free. Do you understand? This is free, so you're not being asked to put your money anywhere. This is free. This is totally for free. And then the best part, to actually top this up, these guys have a decent AI signal, guys. If you're new to trading, yeah, and say for instance now, like, okay, this guy is trying to load now. So say for instance now that you're trying to compare and contrast your analysis. All right. So say that you've seen, you can see, you can receive real-time AI signals via the app to avoid missing strategies. Simply, so you have an app. So this is like a gold mine, literally. All right. So you can see now they are always monitoring trades for you. Number one, and then also I like to also state this before you go ahead and put your money into anything. Make sure that you do your own research. You can see the sell euro signal. They are up about 23.2 pips. Sell the pound sterling, they are up about 6.2 pips. Do you understand? So they have all these trade ideas here for you guys, and then also they take losses as well. So mind you, like I said, the best way to use this guy is to actually come on here and compare and contrast. Okay, do your own technical analysis, draw out your thesis, and then come and compare to what the AI is talking about. So see which one is a lot more accurate, and then learn from them. Why are they choosing to buy gold? You can place these things and then learn how to do it yourself as well. So once again, Fible FX is like TradingView themselves. They have access to the chart, they have everything you need incorporated into one screen. And then to top it off, they also have seminars, right? So they host fans party, they host seminars, they host award ceremonies. Every single thing you need, Fible FX has it. Okay, now this is a legitimate platform. They are not even asking you for money, guys. All they need is for you to use them more often, and that's it. And I strongly recommend that you go with it, because guys, I mean, I see no reason as to why I will leave my technical analysis window and then go and open a different page entirely because I want to look at red folder events. When I can easily use Fible FX and then find every single thing I need on one screen. I kid you not, guys. This is the best bet. All right. So that's that for Fible FX there. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. The link to this site, the link to their mobile apps on the App Store, and they have a decent Telegram community, Facebook page, Instagram, every single thing you need, they have it. They are legitimate, guys. All right, so that's that for Fible FX. Once again, the link will be left in the description below. Do well to check and go through for yourself. All right, so back to the charts as we look to round this up. So yeah, long story short, the euro dollar to the downside, the GBPUSD to the downside, Aussie dollar to the downside, AUD CHF upside, NCD CHF upside, BTC downside temporarily, gold downside temporarily, silver downside temporarily, NCD upside, Euro JPY upside, USDJPY upside, pound JPY upside. All right. So to round this off, let's talk about the dollar index. What is the dollar index doing at the moment? Let's see. So for the XY, which is once again, if you're new to trading, which is the reason as to why I strongly recommend that you check these links. One of them is a link to my email address, and then also my own Telegram community where you come and see and meet like-minded traders like yourself and myself as well. We have tons of solid traders in my guys. You have no idea. Is it FX you need? Is it crypto you need? Is it synthetics you need? We have them. Everybody there. Do you understand? We have you covered. So for the dollar index here, we kind of had like a fake out here, and I was highlighting this demand level here where you see the market come on here, we tested this guy and rallied, came back again to validate this demand level. So this is looking like it has some more room to the upside to go. However, we have some extra confirmation that has to be cleared and ticked off the box, which is 105.553. Now, provided that the XY stays below this bar, I am cautiously bullish on this guy. Do you understand? Cautiously bullish, because if I look here, I see a decent. Now this is a lower high from here. Okay, I know that you guys want to see the bullish dollar, but let's talk reality here. Let's talk reality. We have a lower high from this high of 107 region. All right, and then not just that, we also have the inner structure here, which is actually bearish. So this is the first breakout pullback. This will be the bigger pullback to this point here, which in the event that if the dollar is actually about to crash, I think 105.553 will be the deciding factor, because now you have this supply level that was created here, and this is not. Once you draw your fibs, you can see that this guy could potentially come on here and then roll over. So you see. I think this also coincides with what I spoke about across the board for the euro, for the Aussie, for the pound sterling as well. I need to see us clear this bar. Once you clear this bar, guys, I see the reason as well. First of all, we'll come to 107, and then subsequently we should actually rally to 114.800 long term. However, in the event that doesn't happen, and then this guy chooses to roll over on his head, it will expose the regions of obviously 102.735, and then also 100 for the XY. However, in the event that this holds, this fake out holds, and then we tend to see this guy rally, this will now expose all this guy all the way here. So since this is a channel, you have the first bounce, second bounce moving diagonally, so third bounce, fourth bounce, fake out. So whenever I have a fake out happen, the market tends to move in the opposite direction astronomically. So we could see the dollar index come all the way here. However, it is a bit of a 50-50 scenario here, and I'll only be very confident in the XY if we do clear this bar right here. All right, so guys, I think that's my time. Thank you so much for staying through to the end. Once again, my name is Desmond Samuel, and make sure that you leave a subscribe, or for me, smash the subscribe button, guys. I'm so eager to hit 1K. You have no, guys, for the past, I've been grinding, man. You didn't want to hear my story, but don't worry. I think once I hit 1K, I'll finally come and show my face. Like, you guys will now see the face behind FX. All right. However, we are still about, I think, about 40 subscribers away. So I believe in you guys, and I believe that we can smash 1K this month, this very month, not even this year, this month of June. Okay, so guys, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, and then leave a like and tell me what you think about this video. And if you have any pairs in mind that you'd like me to talk about in my next video, can you leave in the comment section below? All right, so thank you so much for sticking to the end. And once again, my name is Desmond Simon, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.